Full time Liverpool 3, Arsenal 1, and yes, we were beaten relatively comfortably by Liverpool at Anfield. The result was kind of expected because Liverpool are one of the title favourites, or I think they are title favourites, and they were the champions last year. And I expected us not to win, but I wanted us to perform a little bit better as Liverpool were largely comfortable. Yes, we did not get humiliated, fortunately, but we still weren't up to the mark, and there's a huge quality difference between both sides. Liverpool dominated most of the first half. They had a number of shots which Leno saved, although some were from distance. Like he made a save from Mane, Arnold, and Alexander Arnold hit the post. We were quite lucky to take the lead in the 25th minute. A mistake from Robertson, and Andy Robertson made a mistake where he misjudged a ball from Maitland-Niles, and the ball fell into the path of Lacazette. Lacazette barely even hit the shot, but it managed to just go beyond Alisson into the net. Alisson could have actually saved that, and even the attempt was very poor from Lacazette. We were quite fortunate to score there, but Liverpool wasted no time and equalised in 3 minutes. Good work from Salah down the right. He took on Tierney and whipped in a cross come shot which Leno parried, but Mane was there to slot home the empty net. And in the 34th minute, Liverpool took the lead with a beautiful ball from Alexander Arnold. He played in Robertson, and Robertson scored. Well taken finish. And we were largely on the periphery of the first half, and Liverpool went into halftime with a comfortable lead. Second half, Liverpool were having more possession, but we weren't getting rolled over, and we were staying in the game somewhat, although we weren't creating too much. We did have one big chance in the 65th minute when substitute Ceballos came on, played in Lacazette. Lacazette definitely should have scored. He was in a 1v1 position, but Alisson barely moved to save it. He didn't have to move that much. It was a poorly hit shot. Lacazette also missed another chance, but that was offside in a similar situation. He then came off, and then Liverpool was starting to play in dangerous balls inside our box, where Mane also missed a 1v1 where he hit a shot wide. Leno didn't save it, and then Leno made a save from Van Dijk, and Jota had a couple of chances himself, and Salah miskicked the ball in the penalty box. But Liverpool got their reward in the 86th minute through Jota. Brilliantly timed finish from a poor clearance from Bellerin, I think. And yep, they went on to win 3-1. So our performance, we did little better in the second half, but first half was kind of unacceptable. I'm only saying kind of because we were facing Liverpool at Anfield, but anywhere else this would have been simply unacceptable. But hey, I want a little better. I think we are missing something in creativity. Hopefully we can sign Aouar to help it. I mean, we have Mesut Ozil who can provide, but Anfield is a bit too much for him, and he wouldn't have made a difference even if he played. And yeah, so I'm going into the player ratings real quick. Leno gets a 7 out of 10, made some important saves and interceptions. David Luiz, 6 out of 10, our only defender with something positive, as he made one vital interception to prevent Firmino from scoring. Holding gets a 4 out of 10, poor, nothing much to say. Tierney gets a 4.5 out of 10, got a little bit outmuscled by Salah, far too easily in my opinion. Bellerin gets a 4 out of 10, very underwhelming both offensively and defensively. Maitland-Niles gets a 5 out of 10. He played a part in the first goal, but didn't do anything substantial after that. Xhaka, 5 out of 10. This was one of his bad days. It didn't turn out well. Elneny gets a 6 out of 10. He was probably one of our better midfielders today. He worked hard and he tried to press and he tried to play forward passes as well. Willian, 4 out of 10. Good defensively but offered nothing offensively. Anonymous. in an offensive sense. Aubameyang 4.5 out of 10. I hate to say it, but he was anonymous today. He tried to turn on the afterburners on the left, but nothing came out. Lacazette 4.5 out of 10, only because of the goal which he barely scored. He missed important chances and was inefficient. Out of the subs, I only want to give Ceballos a rating. He gets a 6.5 out of 10. He tried to make something happen, although he got booked. But yep, the other subs came on a bit too late. Like Pepe, I probably give 4 out of 10 because he didn't have enough time on the pitch, but his cameo was very disappointing. But you can't expect too much in a 15-minute cameo. Yep, so there we have it. I'll try and do videos as much as possible, but it won't be easy. And like I said, I have a commitment on every alternate weekend, so it's going to be a little bit difficult. So I think I might consider doing a video in the midweek with an overall match view, because I would like to say that our match against West Ham, we were not very good. Leicester in the Carabao Cup was half decent, I would say. Yep. Thanks for watching. Until then, enjoy and have a great day.